occasion for us, the launch of the second edition, the second season of India's Next Top Model. Um, it's an extremely challenging format for us to create, produce. It's an extremely challenging, grueling ride for the girls themselves, for the mentors, for the judges, for everyone involved. A lot of hard work goes into it. And it's really at MTV where we take pride in building faces and building names and discovering talent. We're synonymous with creating some of the biggest names that you've seen in the country today, right from the time that we launched in the mid-90s. And India's Next Top Model is actually no different, where we have stunning, stunning ladies who've come from all across India, from parts of India that you would not expect models to come from. The beauty also lies in the fact that we're not really looking only for conventionally good-looking women, as you would see them, but it goes well beyond that. It goes into a lot to do with the personality, discipline, essentially extremely well-rounded models who can go through the grind, which actually is what they will go through once they become top models in the country. So without taking too much of your time, I'd like to thank the sponsors for making this show happen. So Livon Serum, our presenting sponsor, Lakme and Airtel, our co-presenting sponsors, and ABOF and PC Jewelers. Thank you all. And there's one other point that I want to leave you with, in case, I keep asked this question quite often as to why is MTV doing so many women-centric shows? It's not that we've just decided that, women is the flavor of the season, so we're going to do more women-centric shows.
Or maybe it's just Kalyug.
Across our formats now. And we'd like to be that platform that is the enabler to take women and give them the platform and the darja, as they say, that they truly deserve. So back to you, and a lot more information and fun coming your way. So thank you for coming out once again.
Responsible, and we need to thank for bringing the incredibly global fashion franchise Next Top Model to India. Can you say something about that?
Yeah, I'm a co-founder of Bulldog Media and Entertainment, and when we started Bulldog, we really wanted to, have a different vision. Most of what we see in international shows in India are song shows or dance shows or talent-based shows. So we wanted to shake things up, and we got into the fashion space with Next Top Model franchise, in the business space with other formats like The Apprentice. So I think that doing something different, doing something innovative has really been great, and I'm excited for people to see what we have coming up on July 10th.
And we're all very excited to watch.
मिलने वाला ये बताइए।
डब्बू।
लड़कियां नए हैं फर्स्ट टू स्टार्ट विद, आई मीन
हम पुराने हैं।
आई थिंक ओवरऑल जिस तरह से पूरा अप्रोच है, सीजन 1 पहली बार इंडिया में हो रहा था तो वी वर आल्सो प्लेइंग इट सेफ। आई थिंक इस बार जिस तरह से हमने पहले कहा कि चैलेंजेस, टास्क, फोटोशूट्स बहुत अलग लेवल पे किया हुआ है एंड इट्स बिन अ लॉट ऑफ फन। आई थिंक जो एनर्जी से, जो अप्रोच से हमने स्टार्ट किया था, यू नो लाइक जहाँ हमने पिछले सीज़न ख़त्म किया वहाँ से शुरू किया है सीज़न, एंड it's been a great fun experience and it's huge. I think जिस तरह से आप प्रोडक्शन लेवल देखेंगे, जिस तरह से आप पूरा शो जैसे प्रोड्यूस किया गया है, आई थिंक इट्स ऑन अनदर स्केल ऑल टुगेदर।
आप दूसरा ये देखेंगे कि फर्स्ट सीजन में इंडियन ऑडियंस को पता नहीं था इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल क्या है। अब पार्टिसिपेंट्स को सबको पता था कि क्या है। सो दिस टाइम द क्वालिटी ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन in terms of models as well, and I'm not saying girls, I'm saying models bhi, matlab when you'll see you'll know what I'm talking about.
Okay, नीरज जी, पहले वाले सीजन में आपने बोला था ढांचा, वो वर्ड काफी फेमस हुआ था एंड लोगों को काफी, तो इस बार क्या ऐसी क्वालिटीज थी जो आपने सबसे पहले नोटिस की और जो चाहा कि आपके मॉडल्स में रहे?
मैं ढांचे से ही शुरू करता हूँ। इस बार सबका ढांचा ठीक था। ढांचा सबका ठीक था, लेकिन सच बोल दूं, थोड़े दिमाग फिरे हुए थे। तो इस बार दिमाग थोड़े से ठीक करने की कोशिश की है, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है जब आपको थोड़ा सा किसी चीज का एक्सपीरियंस होता है, सो यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट यू नो व्हाट, मे बी आई एम क्लोज टू नो इट ऑल। इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल इज अ प्लेस वेयर यू अंडरगो deconstruction, construction and reconstruction. So yes, so I think that is what you will see.
लीजा, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस सीजन के बारे में? आप खुद एक मॉडल हैं, अभिनेत्री हैं, इस सीजन में आप क्या ढूंढ रही हैं पर्सनली?
I think I'm looking for the same thing that I'm looking for every season, which is a top model, somebody who can. I think being a top model takes more than just being tall or being beautiful. It takes determination, it takes creativity, it takes focus, and these are all things that come out during the show. There's also a lot of pressure in the business, and it's what you do under that pressure that determines whether you can be on top or whether you kind of get emotional and miss your family and want to run home. And the situations and the parameters of living in this house and having this show bring out all those qualities. Who really can be a winner and who can make it to the top, and who kind of shies away.
Okay, Anusha, आप हमेशा कंटेस्टेंट्स की हेल्प करती हुई नजर आती है, उनको पैम्पर करती हुई नजर आती है।
पैम्पर करती
हूँ
मैं बहुत सारे पैम्पर करती हूँ। नहीं, इतना पैम्पर नहीं करती हूँ। I think I'm there just to be the best mentor I can in terms of fashion and just being the best you can, especially when they go and present themselves, whether it's a photo shoot or a challenge, emotional roller coaster hota hai. And so I'm just trying to be as strong as I can for the girls, and I'm a little strict also sometimes. Kabhi hota hai, theek hai. But a lot of them cry this time, so you have to be a little tougher than them, because otherwise hum sab emotional ho jayega, then this show will just like falls.
Yeah, और जैसा अनुषा ने बोला, बिकॉज वो यहाँ पे सीखने के लिए आए हैं, तो हम लोग जो मेंटर्स हैं कहीं ना कहीं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग वी बिकम देयर पेरेंट्स, बट वी बिकम द पीपल हु दे लुक अप टू। तो वो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है कि अगर वो नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं, नहीं ठीक कर पा रहे हैं, तो एज मेंटर्स वी गो स्ट्रिक्ट और वी गो नाइस एंड सॉफ्ट ऑन देम रिक्वायरमेंट के बेसिस पे।
Okay, how different the tasks are this time?
Very different, बहुत मुश्किल है, and they're just, I think they've been made because the season this time has just taken another level. It's been taken to another level where it's going to be more difficult because it's more serious. Like Tabu said, we're taking it more seriously this year, and I think the girls were ready for it. I think they're even better this year.
International जो ANTM है और जो बाकी के नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल्स है, उनके पार पे ये भी हमारे भी चैलेंजेस वही लेवल पे चले गए। पहली बार हमने अपने इतना एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं किया था चैलेंजेस के, क्योंकि हमारे लिए भी ये फर्स्ट टाइम था, पर इस बार वी हैव नॉट स्टॉप्ड एनीवेयर, इट्स गॉन ऑल द वे।
Lisa, you were saying something. Lisa was saying something.
No, I wasn't.
No, or sorry, I thought. Let me just say that.
अनुषा, अभी हाल ही में आपके साथ एक वाकया हुआ था जिसमें आपकी फ्रेंड करण कुंद्रा ने काफी आपको सपोर्ट किया।
Okay, you want me to hold you?
Oh, you guys. अरे यार वो सोशल मीडिया में कभी कभी ऐसा होता है and I know a lot of people hide behind a phone and a laptop screen and they can write whatever they want, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं and I think sometimes there's a way to say something. If you have nothing nice to say, walk away. If you want to say something that's not so nice, you can use other words. So calling somebody a prostitute, I mean, really? And it's okay, you know, it's okay. I'm sure she's. I'm sure she's young. She's learned her lesson, and I think Karan was just taking a stand because the girl was using her name, his name, sorry, and so he just took a stand, and it's very nice of him. And I hope that she's just learned her lesson in the sense that she becomes a better person from it.
Listen, lady, whosoever you are, she's the nicest person around. So please don't.
And I know. मुझे बुरा लगता है क्योंकि लड़की ऐसा बोल सकते हैं और जैसा मैं कपड़े पहनती हूँ, I don't think it's any reason. Whatever we choose to wear, I'm very comfortable with my body. And if my body and what I wear is a reason for somebody to call me a prostitute, well, I feel sorry for them, and I hope that they, you can just shower them with love and hope they get better.
Thank you so much.
Whosoever said it, darling, you got the attention.